1 milliampere lang, generally not perceptible siya. Pero kapag umabot na sa 10,000 milliamperes, pwede siyang mag-lead sa cardiac arrest, severe burns, and death probable.
1211 Philippine Electrical Code. The Philippine Electrical Code is hereby adopted, and the standards contained therein shall be considered safety standards to the next extent that they safeguard any person employed in any workplace and control the practice of electrical engineering. In this code, kinikonsider ng Philippine Electrical Code yung safety ng mga employees sa mga workplace and the control of practice of electrical engineering, such as supervisions and the manufacturers and repair of electrical equipment, including switchboards, transformers, generators, motors, apparatus, and others. Next. 12. Electrical safety inspections, installation. As used in this rule shall mean assemblage of electrical equipment in a given location designed for coordinated operation, properly erected, and wire. In this rule, electrical equipment shall be collected in a given location, and yung design dapat yung design niya is dapat tugma siya sa operation na balak gawin and dapat yung wirings is in proper places, approve, shall mean acceptable to the Bureau after test and examination show a compliance with standard. Siyempre, before installation, dapat pumasa muna sila sa Bureau sa mga tests and examinations based sa standards ng Bureau. Next.
General provision. No electrical no electrical installation shall be undertaken without the plans having been approval by secretary or his authorized representative. Wala daw dapat na magaganap na installation ng kuryente ng walang isinasagawang plano na aprobado ng secretary. No service or power supply shall be connected to any electrical installation by any utility company supplying electricity or by any person until the necessary final inspection is conducted and a safety certificate or permit issued by regional labor office or authorized representative having jurisdiction over the case. Hindi dapat nagbibigay ng serbisyo or power supply ang anumang kumpanya hanggang sa isagawa nila ang last inspection o dapat ay may permit na ng regional labor office. Next. The following are excluded in the coverage of rules. Electric generating plants with franchise which are under the jurisdiction of the Board of Power and Water Works. B. Electric generating plants and electrical installation in radio and television station which are under the jurisdiction of the Department of Public Works, Transportation and Communication. And C. Electrical installation for conveyance used in connection with water transportation which are under the jurisdiction of Bureau of Customs. The exemption under 3A and B are only for the design and construction. The electrical installation may be inspected by regional labor office or authorized representative if such pose danger to the safety and health of the workers. The practice of electrical engineering as required under this rule shall be subjected to the provision of the Electrical Engineering Law or RA 7920 or New Electrical Engineering Law.
Sa application and plans, application for electrical installation shall be filed by the owner manager to the secretary or his authorized representative having jurisdiction, accompanied by plans, design, or specification in triplicate prepared under the responsible charge of signed and sealed by registered professional electrical engineer duly licensed to practice in the Philippines. The approved plans shall serve as the installation permit and construction may be started. So tulad nga ng professional licensed electrical engineer po na nag-practice po dito sa Philippines. So katulad nga nung example ni Sir kanina, which is kailangan yung electrical professional engineer yung mag-sign and dapat nag-practice dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi for example, kung tayo ay magtatrabaho sa ibang bansa and sa Pilipinas tayo nag-practice, iba yung standard nila doon kaysa sa standard natin dito. Kailangan pa nating mag-training doon kasi kino-consider din yung location ng lugar tsaka sa mga materyales na gagamitin to match the standard ng i-install nating mga equipment. So next. Next. Application for the electrical installation for household lighting utilizing energy involving installation for 20 outlets or less, or for power or heat utilizing electrical energy not exceeding 4 kilowatts need not be accompanied by plans. However, a layout sketch of the proposed installation shall be submitted with a list of materials and devices to be used and assign statement to the effect that it shall conform with the rules and regulation of this standard. So kailangan kasama dun sa plano yung mga materyales na gagamitin kasi hindi tayo basta-basta gumagamit ng mga materyales na kung saan lang mabibili. Dapat pasado siya sa standard ng kung ano man yung nagre-regulate na agency dito. Ganon kasi kada agency ng bawat lugar is tinetest yung standard ng materials bago ikabit. Next. Next po. After construction, a certificate of final inspection shall be secured from the office having jurisdiction, which shall serve as a service connection, safety permit, and to use the installation for 1 year counted from the date of final inspection. So ayun na nga, dito na nga papasok yung iba't ibang jurisdiction na hahawak doon sa lugar kung saan tayo magtatayo or mag-i-install ng electricity. Makikita nyo dito yung example ng form ng safety permit. Tapos dito naman sa baba, application for a certificate of electrical inspection shall be filed by the owner, manager, or his authorized representative with the regional labor office or authorized representative having jurisdiction at least 30 days before the expiration date of the safety permit. So dito, nandito na yung perma or yung consent ng owner or manager or kung sino man yung authorized na representative dun sa regional labor office o dun nga sa lugar na sinasakupan kung saan i-apply yung electrical installation. Next.
The safety engineers of the regional labor office or an authorized representative having jurisdiction shall conduct annual safety inspection on all electrical installation and or special inspections as provided in Rule 1004. In this rule, all the safety engineers shall have a annual safety inspection para makita kung meron ng dapat palitan o kung may problema. Next, all regional labor offices shall adopt and maintain an effective records control of all electrical inspections in order that reinspection shall not go beyond the expiration date. So all the regional labor offices shall have a updated and effective records of control of all electrical inspections para malaman kung malapit na mag-expire. Para hindi na mag-pass sa expiration date yung mga dapat na re-inspect na mga sites or mga building. Next.
Permit to use installation. A certificate to use the installation shall be issued subjected to the following. Work shall be performed under the responsible charge or supervision of a duly authorized electrical engineer or master electrician in conformity with the field of action authorized for each grade. Yun nga po, kailangan, bago isagawa yung installation, kailangan po muna talaga may nag-supervise na tao na may profession sa field na to, tulad na nga lang po ng electrical engineer. Siyempre po, sila po yung mas nakakaalam sa mga bagay na to, hindi lang kung sino-sino yung kailangan na maging mag-supervise ng trabaho na to. All workshops conform with the approved plans and the provisions of the standards. Kailangan po yung mga nakasunod lang po sa nagko-comply lang po yung work natin sa mga approved plans and the provisions of the standards. Hindi po pwede yung kunyari may naipasa ka na pong plano pero yung gagawin mo yung binago mo. Hindi po pwede yung kailangan yung approved plans na po. All materials in the installation shall be of the approved type. Kailangan po yung mga materials na gagamitin, yung mga reviewed and tested na po. The certificate shall be valid for period of 1 year counted from the date of the final inspection and renewable annual thereafter if the inspections show it is safe to use. Ang certificate nga daw po, valid siya for 1 year. From the date of the final inspection, pwede po siyang ma-renew annually. Pero dapat pasado muna sa inspection yun. Next po. Yung certificate po, pwede po siya mag-valid after expiration date. Kaya, kunyari po doon sa kanina po, 1 year po, na kailangan, 1 year po yung expiration. Pwede po siya maglagpas doon sa 1 year na doon. Pero bago po mangyari yun, kailangan muna nag-submit po siya ng renewal application at least 30 days before the expiration date. So that may valid reason po na kung bakit hindi po nagawa sa duration po ng 1 year na yun yung work. Temporary installation certificate. A temporary certificate may be issued for the following: temporary installation for building construction or other civil engineering works, temporary installation pending completion of permanent installation, and temporary installation for amusements such as Ferris wheel, fairs, fiestas, and similar electrical installation. Next po. Temporary installation certificates shall be issued after the following conditions are complied. Kapag po ang outlets na ilalagay po ay over 20 and nag-exceed po yung load niya sa 4 kilowatts, kailangan po may clearance po ng enforcing authority of the electrical plant. Kapag naman po mas mababa sa 20 outlets yung ilalagay po and mababa rin po sa 4 kilowatts yung loads, sketch lang po ng proposed installation ang ibibigay sa Regional Labor Office. Pero may nakalagay dito yung mga layout of the wiring installation, location, and sign statement that the installation shall conform with the standards and all materials shall be of the approved type. Next po. Duration of the temporary certificate. Yung sa certificate mismo, yung parang 1 year po yung tinatagal niya. Pero dito naman ba sa temporary certificate, 120 days lang po yung tinatagal. Tapos kada renew rin po, 120 days din po yung tinatagal. Pero naman po sa mga installation for amusement, 60 days lang po yung tinatagal ng temporary certificate. And kapag renewal din po, 60 days lang din po yung tinatagal niya. No?
Additional loads. When subsequent inspection is conducted for additional loads to an existing installation within a covered year, fee shall be charged only for the additional load. Permit for additional load inspected within the covered year shall have for their expiration date the date of the original electrical installation The original installation, including all additional load, shall be re-inspected on the same date of the following year. Additional load and or alteration of installation is not allowed unless a permit is issued. Yun nga po, bago ka po pag nagdagdag ka po ng installation ng electricity, yung bago po makuha yon, kailangan mo kumuha ng permit at re-inspected mo po muna yung yan.
Requirements in preparation of electrical plant. Before electrical wiring installation is done, the owner, manager, or his authorized representative shall file the required application for electrical wiring installation in triplicate, accompanied by 3 copies of each sheet of plans in white script. The following shall be incorporated in the plan. Sabi dito, pag bago daw mag-install ng wire, kailangan authorized ng authorized ng manager. Parang may process bago mag-install ng wire. Number 1, location plan. A site of compound indicating any known landmark, private or public building, and arrow indicating north direction drawn not necessarily to scale. B. The service drop from the utility company code to the building structure and last, all feeder lines. Next. So, electrical layout. A power layout in addition to the lighting layout if the number of motors exceeds yung sa 10, tas number hindi other loads. C. Bell system circuit. D. Telephone system circuit. E. Riser or single line diagram. F. Riser design computation. G. Load schedule. Last. Electrical legend and specifications. Yung pangatlo naman, yung outdoor substation. A. Location of outdoor substation indicating distance with respect to the nearest building. Next, primary and secondary line. C. Fencing and enclosure. As D. Top, front, and side view showing pertinent distance. Plus, grounding system. Specification. Next, single line diagram, legend, and design computation. In their substation, transformable walls, roof, flooring, doorways, then ventilation and drainage, including items B, yung dito. And I of the mga requirements. Sa akin po, sir. Bagal nito, sir. Opo, sir. Ayun yung mga requirements, sir, before mag-install ng electrical plans. Ito po.
So, yun po lahat yung under dun sa amended ng LOLE. So, ito naman po yung table na nagpapakita ng minimum clearance distance sa feet para sa different power line voltages. So, ito provided to ng OSHA or yung Occupational Safety and Health Administration niya. So, kapag up to 50 kV lang, ang minimum clearance niya in feet is 10. Kapag over 1,000 na siya, dapat ito na yung minimum clearance distance na in-establish by power line operator or yung mga registered professional engineer nga na qualified para sa electrical transmission and distribution. So next, we have here two scenarios po related sa electrical hazards. Videos po siya.